Did you know Iran is home to one of the world's oldest civilizations, dating back over 6,000 years? Get ready, because we're diving into 17 strange facts about Iran that will blow your mind. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're uncovering 17 strange facts about Iran that will blow your mind. From ancient wonders to modern quirks, let's explore the unexpected facets of this fascinating country. Iran is often misunderstood, with many stereotypes overshadowing its rich culture and history. But today, we're breaking through those misconceptions and bringing you facts about Iran that are rarely highlighted. Are you ready to challenge what you think you know about this incredible nation? Before we embark on this unforgettable journey, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Wanderlust Destinations, and ring the bell to explore the wonders of the world with us. Now let's embark on this wild adventure. Fact number 17. Iran is often called the land of the four seasons. Now, you might be wondering, why is that? Well, it has to do with the country's incredibly diverse climate, which is truly a natural treasure that makes Iran a unique place. The first thing that comes to mind when we say four seasons might be the famous Vivaldi's composition, but in the context of Iran, it signifies a climate so varied and rich that it is like a buffet conditions. Let's delve into this a little more. To begin with, Iran is a climatic smorgasbord, a kind of paradise for climate enthusiasts, if you will. An assortment of weather conditions and scenic beauty awaits anyone who dares to explore this vast country. Now try to envision this. Imagine that while you're seeking adventurous ski trails, swishing down the snow-kissed slopes of the Alborz Mountains, there's someone else, probably several hundred miles away, who is basking in the sun's warmth on the golden, sandy beaches of the Persian Gulf. Imagine getting lost in the mesmerizing beauty of the snow-capped mountains, feeling the chill in the air and the soft, cold snow crunching under your boots. At that very moment, someone is feeling the sand between their toes, the salty sea breeze in their hair, and the warm rays of the sun on their skin. But that's not all about Iran's climatic diversity. While you're surrounded by the golden hues of autumn leaves in the northern regions near the Caspian Sea, the crunching sound underfoot a constant of the changing season, there's someone else marveling at the spring flowers that are blooming in all their glory in the southern provinces. The flower-laden landscapes in the south almost seem like a carpet of colors against the backdrop of lush green fields and clear blue skies. Such a stark contrast, wouldn't you agree? And all these contrasting weather conditions, the cold, the heat, the spring and the fall, coexist harmoniously within the boundaries of a single country. This gives Iran its unique identity as the land of the four seasons. From the chilling cold of the snow-clad peaks to the heat of desert plains, from the freshness of spring flowers to the fall of autumn leaves, Iran offers a spectacular range of climatic conditions that can leave anyone awestruck. All this in one single country. It's like hopping from winter to summer, from spring to autumn in a single day without even having to step out of the country's borders. Moving from snowy mountains to sunny beaches to autumnal forests and then to spring-filled landscapes all in one country. How's that for a climate cocktail? Fact number 16. Ever heard of Taarof? It's a fascinating phrase that is not a delicacy, not a dessert, not a local dance, but a vital part of Iranian social rules and regulations. Tradition, known as Taarof, is an interesting and complex cultural phenomenon that can be a bit puzzling for outsiders. You see, in the Western world, when someone offers us something, be it a snack, a lift home, or a simple gesture like holding a door, we're inclined to accept graciously if we need it. However, in Iran, it's a somewhat different story. The custom of Taarof dictates a form of polite refusal and modesty, a kind of elegant dance of words and gestures that takes place between two or more people. Now picture this. You're in a cozy Iranian home, and the host offers you a cup of steaming hot tea, fragrant and inviting. Despite your thirst, you're expected to politely refuse at first, even if your heart desires to wrap your hands around that warm cup. It might seem strange, even counterintuitive, but it's all part of the delicate dance of Taarof. The host, understanding the rules of this dance, insists again, firmly but politely. It is only then, after this second offer, that you accept. It's not about mind games or being hard to get. It's respect, a deep reverence for the other person's generosity. The dance of Taarof isn't confined to private homes. Oh no, it can unfurl in various scenarios, ranging from open-air markets to upscale boutiques, from formal dinner parties to casual social gatherings. It's a display of respect and politeness deeply ingrained in Iranian culture, a show of mutual admiration, and that is as old as the hills of this ancient land. It's important to understand that Taarof is not just about refusal. It's a form of etiquette that helps maintain social harmony, a system that ensures every gesture, every offer, every action is infused with respect and consideration. It is a silent language, a dance of courtesy that weaves its way into the fabric of everyday life in Iran. But what happens if you don't follow this dance? Nothing horrendous. Iranians are known for their hospitality and understanding, especially towards foreigners might not be familiar with their customs. But appreciating and participating in Taarof not only enriches your cultural experience, it also demonstrates respect and understanding for their traditions. So remember, when in Iran, do as the Iranians do and learn to Taarof. Fact number 15. Iran is a country bustling with youth. Sprawling across a vast swath of the Middle East, Iran is a country of contrast and diversity, where the ancient and the modern meet in an extraordinary blend. With its roots reaching back to some of the earliest civilizations known to mankind, it is a land filled with historical significance and cultural richness. The heartbeat of this land, however, is in its youth. Children running through the streets of Tehran, students studying meticulously in Isfahan's libraries, young artists expressing their creativity in Shiraz. These are the scenes that capture the youthful spirit of Iran. Over 60% of its population, that's right, over 60%, is under the age of 30, illustrating a demographic characteristic that is as unique as it is significant. Yes, you heard it right. 6 out of every 10 Iranians are young, vibrant, and full of life. Picture this. In a classroom of 20 students, about 12 would be under the age of 30. A typical Iranian office, the majority of the employees would be youthful, dynamic individuals. These young Iranians are not just statistics. They are the country's future, the architects, artists, scientists, entrepreneurs, and leaders of tomorrow. Their dreams and aspirations, shaped by the unique blend of tradition that characterizes Iran, influence the course of the country's future. The energy and dynamism of these young people is palpable, infusing every corner of the country with a fresh, vibrant spirit. They are the driving force behind Iran's cultural, economic, and social landscapes, infusing them with a vitality that is both infectious and inspiring. They are at the forefront of technological innovation, cultural evolution, and social change, leading the way towards a bright and promising future. Their energy is palpable in the bustling bazaars of Tehran, in the lively cafes in the vibrant art scene of Shiraz. Their creativity and innovation are evident in the booming tech startups, in the progressive art galleries, in the cutting-edge research facilities. A youthful country indeed, with a spirit to match.
And finally, fact number 1. Would you believe if I told you Iran is the nose job capital of the world? It's not a joke, nor an exaggeration. This might surprise you, considering that Iran is a conservative country where women are often seen wearing hijabs covering most of their faces. Yet it's true. Rhinoplasty, or nose jobs as they're more commonly known, are incredibly popular in this Middle Eastern country. The popularity of rhinoplasty in Iran is such that it overshadows the numbers in more well-known cosmetic surgery hubs like the United States and Brazil. In Iran, there's a certain allure and prestige tied to having a nose job. It's a status symbol and a sign of affluence, indicating that the person can afford such an expensive procedure. Why is this so? The reasons are manifold and varied. Some attribute it to societal beauty standards. The prevalent beauty ideals in Iran, like many places around the world, favor a smaller, more European-looking nose. Hence, many Iranians, especially women, undergo rhinoplasty to conform to these standards and to feel more confident about their appearance. However, there are also others who highlight the desire to express individuality as a reason. They
argue that a nose job can be a form of self-expression, a way for people to assert their identity and stand out in the crowd. This perspective views rhinoplasty not as to fit into societal norms, but as a means to defy them. This cosmetic trend has had profound implications. It has influenced not just Iran's medical tourism, with many people traveling to the country specifically for this procedure, but also its society at large. The phenomenon has prompted discussions about beauty ideals, societal pressures, and the role of individuality in a largely conformist society. Moreover, it has also led to changes in the medical field in Iran. The country now has a host of skilled rhinoplasty surgeons, many of whom have gained international recognition. This, in turn, has helped to boost Iran's reputation in the global medical community. Well, there you have it, Iran, a land of intriguing contrasts and fascinating facts.
So there you have it, 17 strange facts about Iran that you probably didn't know. We've traversed the diverse four-season landscape, admired the snow-capped mountains, witnessed the bloom of the delicate desert flowers, and felt the warmth of the sun as it sets on the sprawling plains. We've been captivated by the enchanting tradition of Taarof, a unique Persian custom deeply ingrained in the Iranian culture, and marveled at the youthful energy of its population, brimming with dynamism and innovativeness, ready to make their mark on the world. We've strolled down the bustling streets of Tehran, feeling the pulse of the city, full of life and character. We've been swept away by the stunning architecture, the grandeur of the palaces, the intricate designs of the mosques. We've explored the bazaars, the beating heart of Iranian cities filled with 1,000 different sights, sounds and scents, each telling their own story of the country's rich history and heritage. Not only have we explored the beauty of the landscape and the depth of culture, but we've also unveiled the unexpected twist that Iran is the nose job capital of the world. We've discovered that underneath the traditional veils and turbans, there's a surprising trend of embracing modernity, challenging our preconceived notions about the country. We've learned that despite their religious beliefs, Iranians are open to change and transformation, seeing beauty and self-confidence as integral aspects of their identity. In this journey, we've discovered a land of contrasts, where high rugged mountains meet low sandy deserts, and where ancient traditions coexist with modern innovations. We've seen country rich in culture and heritage, yet modern in unexpected ways. A place where winter sports and desert adventures can be experienced in the same day, and where both the old and the young learn from each other to shape the future. We've delved into a society built on a foundation of respect and courtesy, expressed through the tradition of Taarof. We've noticed how the Iranians' innate hospitality and kindness are reflected in their everyday interactions, creating a community that values humility and politeness above all else. We've been enchanted by a nation buzzing with the energy of its young population, eager to shape the future. We've been taken aback by a surprising global hotspot for cosmetic surgery, showing us that there's more to Iran than meets the eye. Our journey has provided us with a new lens to view this fascinating country, enabling us to see past the stereotypes and understand the complexities of Iranian society. We've confirmed that there are always more layers to uncover, more stories to discover, and more truths to learn about this vibrant and beautiful nation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed discovering these surprising facts about Iran, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe for more intriguing insights from around the world, and let us know what surprised you the most. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.